In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify. This is a quick and easy tutorial to get your store ready to handle orders efficiently. To start off, navigate to your Shopify admin page and click on My Store. This will take you to the home page of your Shopify store where all your management tools are accessible. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side where the main menu is located. Here, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on this to delve into the deeper setup of your store. Within the Settings dashboard, you'll see a variety of options, but what we want to focus on is shipping and delivery. Click on this link to get started with setting up your shipping options. Now you're in the shipping settings, you'll notice a tab labeled Shipping. Click on that to access the core features needed to set up your shipping methods. As you configure your shipping, one of the key options you should consider is split shipping. This feature allows you to split orders into multiple shipments if necessary, which can be particularly useful if you're dealing with a large inventory or multiple warehouse locations. Click on Split Shipping to explore these options further. Next, move on to Shipping Labels. Here you can configure how your shipping labels are created and printed. It's a crucial step to streamline how you handle packages when they are ready to be shipped. Click on Shipping Labels to continue. Afterward, look into Expected Delivery Dates. This area allows you to inform your customers about when they can expect their orders to arrive. Setting realistic delivery dates not only enhances your service, but can also reduce anxiety for your customers as they anticipate their deliveries. Simply click on this option to set or adjust your delivery timeframes. Following that, there's Order Routing. This setting is for automating how orders are sent to different locations or third-party fulfillment services. It can save you a lot of time and effort by ensuring orders are sent to the right place as soon as they're made. Click on Order Routing to configure this according to your needs. Next up is Local Delivery. If you offer local delivery as part of your service range, click here to fine-tune these settings. You can specify delivery zones and set fees accordingly, making sure local orders are handled with the care they deserve. Don't forget about Pickup in Store for those who want to collect their orders in person. This feature can provide customers with more flexibility while potentially lowering your shipping costs. Lastly, venture into delivery customizations, saved packages, and shipping documents. These options allow further tailoring of how packages are prepared, saved, and documented, ensuring efficiency in your shipping operations. With everything set up, your Shopify store is ready to manage and dispatch orders smoothly, enhancing the overall shopping experience for your customers.